built this Apple Watch app for my GoPro. It's a GoPro Mission 1 Pro, and basically it's used for controlling the camera. So it's off right now at the moment, obviously, but we can power it on. So there's the power. We can power it off, right? So we're going to turn it back on. You can see all your normal information here, the battery percentage available, the time recording available, and your SSD, your storage capacity, sorry. And we can stop recording as well. So you hold that for 3 seconds. You can also change the screen resolution, the aspect ratio, the FPS, and the lens. And that's basically it. What do you think about that?